Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continuing working on my Regal 272 Commodore. Let's check it out. I got my shift cable here. Gonna install that from the motor up to the helm. So let's do that. Forward works. So reverse doesn't engage, so need to take a look at that. Extend the cable, I guess, to make it engaged rear, or I need to adjust the other cable. Alright guys, finally after some adjustment, now I have forward and back on both machines. Pretty happy with that. Alright guys, feels like I've had some weather coming in here. So the wind has been picking up and some real big raindrops are falling right now. So let's see what happens there. But other than that, I've done my shift cable and super happy with that. How it works on both engines, forward and reverse. Had a little problem with the starboard engine, dies out on me, but it has this old inlight and fuel filter that I'm suspecting causing some issues with fuel flow. So I'm gonna try to bypass that and see what happens. Otherwise I need to go and check it out in more detail. But other than that, you know, great to see you here again, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. And hopefully I will see you soon again, guys.